Maybe something like this. Claim the highs, go back below, short.
3 hours later.
Well, would you look at this, guys? Claim the highs, like I said. One more thing, guys, just taken, well, my belief is that we are still in the 5th wave, and this whole thing was a 3rd wave, and at the end of the 3rd wave, obviously this whole thing gets elongated because it's the weekend. So from Friday about 4 p.m. onwards till about tonight, actually, I do kind of expect a big low liquidation event. Maybe you sweep at the highs. I personally want to see that 1.382 get tapped or SFP'd, and I can trade the acceptance back below. That's taken from this high to the low, dragged across, and then reversed, gives you 5th wave target. So the 1.236 to 1.382, most commonly, but more rarely, the 1.618. But as you can see, the 1.382 would be a nice claim of these highs again. So maybe something like this, claim the highs, get back below, short. But yeah, only time will tell, guys. Still got a long way to go. There's still a no trade zone, in my opinion, until we break the trend line below or claim the high. We are, yeah, no trade zone. The only trades I'm looking at are potentially an SFP from the lows or a short from the 1.382, which I prefer because you can get a tighter stop loss, which would just be above the wick, and you're targeting the lows. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. But anything can happen. Well, would you look at this, guys? Trade box activated. Claim the highs, like I said. Should be there. Stop loss at the highs, and you're targeting for lower levels. My first target was, like I said previously, the lows, which have now been claimed, and we're still dumping. So yeah, we could come as low as 0.5 easy. We could have even got 0.5 and golden pocket and an SFP there. I think that's the next setup.